Hello, second grade Smarties, and welcome to Fundations Unit 7, Week 3, Day 4. So today we are going to be doing a review of our multi-syllable words, our open syllables, our suffix Y, Ly, Ty. We're going to be using our whiteboard and our marker for this lesson. So go ahead and pause the video to get those things for today's lesson. So hopefully you've unpaused the video. We're going to start by doing some drill practice. Here we go. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Now remember, what two sounds can the letter Y say if it's acting like a vowel? Y, cry, I. Y, baby, E. All right, and let's do some consonants. Q, U, queen, qu. R, rat, S, snake, s. T, top, t. Great job. And let's do some of our long vowel sounds that we hear in open syllables. All right. A, acorn, A. E, me, E. I, high, I. O, no, O. U, pupil, U. U, flew, oo. And here we are seeing that Y again. Y, cry, I. Y, baby, E. All right, Smarties, and let's look at our suffixes. Y, E. Ty, T. Ly, Lee. IVE, Iv. ABLE, able. And to finish our drill practice, let us review our trick words for this week. All right, so I want you to go ahead and tell me, what is this trick word you see? This is the trick word night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Night. What's this trick word? Carry, C-A-R-R-Y, carry. Carry. And what is this trick word? Something, S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, something. All right, I'm going to test your knowledge really fast. Are you ready? Carry, night, and something. What about this one? Night, something, night, carry. Kiss your brains, little Smarties. And let's go on to some review. So here is what we are going to do. I am going to build some words, and I want you to tell me, what are some things that you see in this word that we have learned about. So I'm going to build a word, and then we are going to talk about the syllables, if it has suffixes, what kind of syllables they are. Put this closer. There we go. All right. So looking at this word, what word did I spell? This is the word duty. Let's clap the syllables in duty. Duty. How many syllables do we have? We have 2 syllables. So I'm going to get 2 syllable frames. Duty. Do-T. What letters do we hear in the first syllable? Do. D-U. What is the U saying in do? It's saying ooh like flu. Remember that long U can say ooh or you. Duty. Duty. What is the Y saying in the word duty? It is saying E. Duty. All right, let's look at another review word. Super focused, Smarties. All right. Our next word. All right, I want you to right now try to sound this word out on your own. So this is the word predict. Predict. How many syllables do we hear in the word predict? We hear 2. So I'm going to get 2 syllable frames. And what groups of letters go in the first syllable frame? Predict. So in the first syllable, we hear pre. So e. Now looking at the syllable, is this an opened, a closed, or a vowel consonant E syllable? This is an open syllable. Why is it open, second grade Smarties? Because that E is not closed in by a consonant and it is saying its name. Our second syllable is dict. Dict. What is the I saying in dict? It's saying I. So it's saying I and it's closed in by consonant. So it is a closed syllable. What was this word again, Smarties? Predict. Predict. All right. And what about this word? What is this word? It's the word shy. Now, shy is one syllable, but is it opened, closed, or a vowel consonant E syllable? It's an open syllable. What is that Y saying in the word shy? It's saying that long I sound. So shy, if it's a one syllable word and it's open syllable, almost always that Y is going to say I. All right, let's do some practice with some of our word of the days from this lesson. All right, so I'm going to build one of our words of the day that we looked at and we wrote a sentence for. And this word has a suffix. All right, what is this word that you see? Bravely, bravely. It is 2 syllables. But what I want us to look at is the type of syllables and what else is in this word. So looking at the word bravely, what is our base word in the word bravely? Brave is our base word. Looking at the word brave, what kind of syllable is it? Is it an open syllable, a closed syllable, or a vowel consonant E syllable? So look at the word brave by itself. This is our base word. It's not a closed syllable because it ends with an E. So it must be open or a vowel consonant E. Which one is it? It's a vowel consonant E syllable. It has that vowel, a consonant, and that busy bossy E telling the A to say its name. So brave is our base word. What's the suffix in bravely? That ly. Bravely tells me how I did something. So if I jump off the diving board bravely, that means I bravely jump or I jump in a brave way. So in Lee, what is that Y saying? It's saying that long E sound. So what was this word, Smarties? Bravely. Let's do another word of the day. Ooh. Now this one is kind of tricky, Smarties, because when we see, oh, I did that incorrectly. Sometimes teachers make mistakes too. So this is the word chilly. Chilly. It's 2 syllables. Our base word is what? Chill. And I'm realizing I did it wrong again because this is the suffix Y. This is chilly. Whew, smarties. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. So chilly. So if something chilly describes something. So I can feel chilly. It was a chilly day. Chilly describes the day. So chill is our base word. And what is our suffix? That Y. It describes how something is, how something looks, how something feels like. I can feel chilly, right? Chilly is another word for cold. So looking at this word, it has a digraph CH. It has that bonus L, but remember that whenever we have Y as a syllable, that Y does not like to stay by itself at the end of the word. So we always have a consonant with it. So this was the word chilly. And let's look at one more word of the day that we had. This is the word safety. What is the base word in the word safety? Safe is our base word. Looking at that syllable, is it open, closed, or a vowel consonant E syllable? Look at the word safe. It's a vowel consonant E, right? It has a vowel, a consonant, and that busy bossy E telling the A to say its name. Safe. What's our suffix in this word? T-Y-T. Safe T. Safety. All right, Smarties. Now, this is where you need to get your whiteboard out. So we are going to be on the small line side. So go ahead and get your whiteboard. And we are going to be building some sounds, some review words, some words from this week's lesson, some trick words, and a sentence. So make sure to write small so you can get all of your words on there. Okay, here we go. The first sound I need you to build is IND. What's the sound? IND. Go ahead and write it. IND, like find. All right, Smarties, show me your board in 3, 2, 1. IND, I-N-D, find, IND. And on our magnet board, it is a glued sound, I-N-D, find, IND. All right, Smarties, the next sound I need you to write is shh. Shh. All right, show me your sound in 3, 2, 1. S-H, ship, shh. And S-H is a digraph. Good job. All right, and the last sound I need you to write is ong, like song, ong. All right, what says ong? O-N-G, song, ong. All right, Smarties, now we are going to do some review words. The first word I need you to build is remote. Remote. Write it in syllables, write it in those chunks. So start with your first syllable. Remote. O-T. Ooh, remote. What's going to make that O say its name? Remote. R-E-M-O-T-E. That busy bossy E in our vowel consonant E syllable is making the O say its name. Remote. If you did not spell this correctly, go ahead and change it and get it stuck in your head. All right, the next word we are going to write is windy. Windy. Wind, E, W, I, Windy. All right. Show me your board in 3, 2, 1. Windy. So that describes a noun. It was a windy day. So what is saying E at the end of windy? That Y. All right. The next word I want you to build is wildly. So start with your base word. Wild. Wildly. It describes how something is done. So this is an adverb. It describes a verb. Wildly. All right. And show me your board. Wildly. Wild. Wildly. I underline my base word and circled my suffix. All right, and our last word that we're going to do before our trick words is 70. So 7T. So start with your base words. 7, 7T. How many tens is in the number 70, Smarties? That would be 7 groups of 10, making you do some math during Fundations. All right, so this was the word 70. 70. All right, now I'm going to use the space up here to write my trick words. All right, so the first trick word we are going to write is the word night. But before we do that, we're going to write it on whatever we are writing on. So I'm using my fingers and I'm going to write on my table. If you're doing this on the floor, you're going to write it on the floor. We're going to let our mouth be the boss when we spell this word because trick words are words we just have to know. So let's start with the word night. Here we go, fingers first. Night. 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 Now I'm going to let my mouth be the boss when I write that word. Night. 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 All right, our next trick word we are going to write is carry. What's the trick word? Carry. Let's write with our mouth being the boss first. C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. Carry. C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. Carry. All right, Smarties, those are our sounds, our words, and our trick words. If you are one of my Smarties, I want you to go ahead and pause. Take a picture of this right now. Okay, take a picture of your board and then erase so we can write our sentence. All right, and our sentence for today is it chilly by the lake? Is it chilly by the lake? So when I start a sentence, I start with a capital letter. Is it chilly? Ch-I-L-E. Is it chilly by the lake? Ooh, and I hear a long A. So what's going to make the A say its name? Is it chilly by the lake? And I want you to think, am I asking you something or am I just telling you something? I'm asking, so what kind of punctuation are we going to have at the end of our sentence? Is it chilly by the lake? All right, I'm going to give you a couple seconds and then we are going to compare sentences. Our sentence was, is it chilly by the lake? All right, here we go. Whoops. Is it chilly by the lake. And if I am asking you something, that is a question, so I needed a question mark. Check your sentence. Did you make sure to add that busy, bossy E to the end of the word lake? What is making that A say its name? Check your word chili. Did you remember that it gets a bonus L? All right, second grade Smarties. So that is it for Unit 7, Week 3, Day 4. Remember to keep that growth mindset because good learners do hard things. I will see you very soon with another video lesson. Happy learning, Smarties.